Hello, my name is Darshan Gumadi. I am from Team Antonia, and these are my other teammates Rohit, Komali, Vinita, and Nasim. So, our company name is Euphoria, and its tagline is Redefining Your Game. Basically, we'll start with 2D modeling first, and our goal is to create personal signatures in 2D here. So for this purpose we have started using Adobe Illustrator, and first of all we need to take a raw signature where you are supposed to sign using a pen and paper, scan it and upload it, and then once it is imported to the Adobe Illustrator to the one of the layers, and it helps to plot the control points and adjust the width, the height, and all. We can draw Bezier curves and straight lines from the B-spline paths. Once all the control points are plotted, we can go ahead and delete the image layer and gives you a 2D signature. Let's check a demo of how do we do it. And this is the raw signature of mine, and this is the image extracted from Adobe Illustrator. Let's check Adobe Illustrator. And yes, here you go. You can see the control points over here. You can use the cursor and modify the control points over here, and move it, adjust it, expand it, and you can select a single part and do as many changes as you want. Once that is all done, you can delete the image layer, and you can see the output from here. And here you go, this is the output. We have generated the 2D signature from that. So this is called the vectorized output of the signature, and this method can be used to get the 2D signatures of old documents. Let's say we have old documents where that needs to be digitalized, and signatures are not proper in the paper, and paper would have been very old. So you can just take a picture, even if it's not so clear. We can just plot the control points over the signature, and convert it into a good 2D vector signature. So rest of the signatures will be shown in the final document. And let's get to the 3D part. So coming to our company, Euphoria means it gives an adrenaline rush while you play sports, and that's what it is named after. So sports is one of the revenue generator and passion made industries. So now sports equipment is made with more science involved and using data analytics. Let's say we are taking few of the customers, and the sports they are interested in, and we are going to make the equipment using a Blender software. Most popular sports in the world and essentials of each sport are produced with more quality and engineered involving. And we pledge to make equipment with all ages, breaking the boundaries and believing that passion developed from childhood can lead to amazing results. So we believe our products can be great addition to your energy and enthusiasm. Here we present Euphoria, one and only stop for all the sports stuff you need. And Blender is one of the software popular tools used to create 3D models. As part of creating models with good engineering involving science and user interest, so this tool has given developers a chance to create amazing 3D models and open up whole new market and opportunities. So we try to use the same technique to create a few of our sports for popular games, and we try to create like football, tennis ball, tennis racket, helmet, or for an NFL game. So this is just an example of our company. So let's begin with uh, the model of football. You can just see the basic model of the football is started with uh, I- icosphere, and then it is tuned to be generated into a football. And then this is a tennis ball. So once you start with a spherical model, and then you just need to um, blend it to a shape of tennis ball. And then this is a tennis racket. and you can see from different perspective the width and thickness of the tennis racket with along with the mesh around it. And here comes the NFL helmet, and you can see the bowl part, and this can be attached to this iron part where this is acts as a protection. And so let's see the demo in let's see the demo. So we'll start with football. So here you go. This is a Blender software. You can see from different angles of the football. And first we used the icosphere here, and then this has been modeled into a football. And you can see the details of the football here. And then next we shall move to tennis ball. Here you go, tennis ball. So this can be represented as a tennis ball, and more engineering is involved as we concentrated on the thickness and how much productive it can be, like how many years it may last and all that stuff. And this is a tennis racket. And so this is a two-part tennis racket. So this involved a whole bat as a single one, and the other part is the threading over here. Threading has its own thickness and all. So this can be customized as per the player's request or the customer's request. And even we are planning to involve mechanics in changing the changing the width of the handle. So this might be this can be comfortable when you start playing with the own customized bats, and this can be taken and made exactly. And here we come to the final part, and this is NFL helmet. Here you go. You can just check how we started it. So this is the first raw image where we started as a bowl. This is a helmet bowl we have started with a plain modifiers. And then once this is done, we have started attaching it to the iron covering, which helps as a protection. And this needs to be fitted, so we need other elements called fitters. So, and this is the inner protection for the player when he is playing an extensive sport. And these are the nuts. We can see the nuts. And so these are clamps which is used to hold the entire iron part to the helmet. And we can design as per the sizes of the heads for different players. This can also be done using personalized techniques. Yeah. So coming to the conclusion, our motto stands to build some quality equipment for better experience of the sports, and our future work is to collect more data from domestic players and international players for futuristic sports to make great equipment. So we also wanted to add a category for the child who aims to start career early. An advanced category would be personalized equipment for personalized professional players who play at world class level. So we do take measurements of the player for the balance and how do they play. For example, like let's take up a tennis game. One play like a ground shots, one play a different style with a different balance, a single-handed backhand and a double-handed backhand. Based on that, you need a weight to the string, and width of the string should be different, and the handle for different type of hands, we can make a different type of handle. So overall, all the engineering making the product to be a better one. So this is one area company can give better results in the future. And Thank you for the opportunity.